For over 120 years, Chicago Faucets has been the leading manufacturer of commercial plumbing products. In this video, we'll review the steps to install our touchless soap dispenser. These dispensers are available to match our E-Tronic 80 and EQ series product lines. For this video, we'll be showing how to install our E-Tronic 80 soap dispenser, but the installation steps are the same whether you choose E-Tronic 80 or EQ. Included in the box are the soap dispenser, a soap bottle, a bottle hanger bracket, control box, mounting hardware, battery compartment and batteries, or plug-in transformer. To start the installation, determine the mounting location for the soap bottle and hanger bracket. It should be in a location that can be reached by the dispenser hoses and be a minimum of 13 3/4 inches above the finished floor. Now, position the hanger bracket against the wall in the mounting location. Make sure it's level, then mark the 2 mounting holes. Drill 2 holes for the wall anchors. Insert the anchors and attach the hanger bracket with the provided screws. Now, install the dispenser onto the sink. Insert the threaded mounting rod into the bottom of the dispenser and secure with a screwdriver. Insert the rubber O-ring into the channel on the bottom of the dispenser. Feed the tubes and wire through the hole in the deck and position the dispenser on the sink. Now, attach the adhesive rubber pad to the deck washer. Slide the deck washer onto the mounting rod with the rubber pad positioned against the deck. Secure the dispenser with the mounting nut. With the dispenser secure, it's time to attach the soap hoses to the control unit. If you're using liquid soap, connect the hose to the top of the unit. For this installation, we're using foam soap that requires us to attach 2 hoses to the control unit. Hoses can go in either position and should be secured with the provided spring clamps. Now, position the control unit into the hanger bracket. Attach the sensor cable from the dispenser to the cable connector on the control box. Now, it's time to connect the power to the unit. For AC models, connect the cable to the control unit and plug in the transformer. We're using a DC unit, so we'll install the batteries into the battery compartment, mount the compartment to the wall, and connect the power cable to the control unit. With the soap bottle filled, snap the bottle into the control unit. Then, press and hold the dispense button on the control unit until soap is dispensed. If you're installing a foam soap unit, you won't see foam during this step. Air is not introduced into the mixture until the dispenser is activated. It's time to test the dispenser. First, remove the tape from the sensor eye. Then, test the dispenser by moving your hand in front of the sensor. Your Chicago Faucets touchless soap dispenser is installed and ready for use. For more information on our soap dispensers or our complete line of touchless faucets and accessories, visit chicagofaucets.com.